This is an overview of my final project for CSCI E-88. The final project is a song recommendation engine built with Scala and Apache Kafka streams. My data source is a collection of songs from Spotify, and each one of the songs are identified by several attributes that make the song unique. I'll show you what those attributes are. These 12 attributes down here: acousticness, liveness, beachiness, instrumentalness, energy, loudness, danceability, and balance, along with duration, tempo, key, and mode. The way the engine works is it takes an input song as a message from a Kafka producer. It finds that song in this collection of Spotify songs, and then it tries to match another song in this collection that has the closest values to all of the attributes listed for the previous song. Let's take a look at starting the project. So as you can see, I have already started my Kafka broker. It's running in a Docker container. Once the container's running, we can start our application using this command right here. And as you can see, the application is running and it's polling, waiting for a message from the Kafka producer. So the next step is to use KCAT to produce a Kafka topic message. So we will run these commands. This next command, we need a song ID. We can get that from Spotify songs.csv. I'll grab this ID right here. As you can see, each one of these songs in the CSV file has a track ID associated with it. So I'll just grab this one. Hit enter. And then we can type in EOF here. And now we should have some output in the output directory. Let's go take a look at that output directory. So here are the files found in the output directory. We have an error log, a found song.csv, input topics log, and a recommended song.csv. Here we can take a look at the input topic, and as you see, the input topic has an ID associated with it. It is the same ID that we have input into the Kafka producer. And if we take a look at that found song, that is indeed the exact same song that the ID is associated with from the Spotify songs collection. And then we can take a look at the recommended song. And the recommended song happens to be by Van Morrison. One thing you will notice is that it does have the same genre and subgenre of the found song, which you can see right here. Uh, those were two specific sets of criteria that must match for the song to be recommended. But then all of these values you see right here have to add up to as close as possible to the found songs values in order for them to be considered a close match and therefore a recommendation. And that is pretty much all I have to show for the overview. Um, there is more plans to make this system more elaborate and move it to the cloud, but this is a solid MVP, and I will be submitting it as my final project. Thank you.